In Act 4, Scene 6 of William Shakespeare's Hamlet, the scene opens in a different part of Elsinore Castle, where Horatio is approached by two sailors. These sailors come bearing news from Hamlet, who has been absent from Denmark after being sent to England by King Claudius with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. The sailors present Horatio with a letter from Hamlet, which Horatio proceeds to read aloud, shedding light on recent events not previously disclosed to the audience. According to the letter, Hamlet recounts a dramatic turn of events that occurred merely 2 days into the sea voyage to England. The ship carrying Hamlet, along with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, was suddenly attacked by pirates. In the ensuing chaos, Hamlet managed to board the pirate ship. Interestingly, instead of harm coming to Hamlet, the pirates took him captive but treated him well, promising to release him in exchange for a favor, the nature of which remains unspecified to Horatio and the audience at this point. Hamlet's letter then instructs Horatio to carry out two important tasks. First, Hamlet requests that Horatio ensures the delivery of another letter, this one intended for King Claudius, that the pirates have given to Hamlet to send back to Denmark. The contents of this letter to the king are not revealed in this scene, adding an element of suspense. Second, after ensuring the letter has reached the king, Hamlet asks Horatio to come to him immediately, hinting at urgent news and revelations he has to share, specifically mentioning that he has much to tell about Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. This suggests that Hamlet has discovered or deduced some critical information concerning their loyalties or the tasks assigned to them by King Claudius, whose secret agenda is to have Hamlet killed upon reaching England. The scene concludes with Horatio quickly taking action, guiding the sailors to deliver the letter from the pirates to King Claudius as requested by Hamlet. The audience is left anticipating the repercussions of Hamlet's surprising return, the contents of his message to the king, and the revelations he promises to share about his erstwhile friends, now turned conspirators, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. This brief but significant scene serves to inform the audience of Hamlet's unexpected twist of fate and sets the stage for the ensuing developments in the narrative, emphasizing themes of betrayal, intrigue, and the unpredictable nature of Hamlet's journey toward avenging his father's death. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.